Hello, hello everyone. We're moving on. We're moving on to exercise 6. It says a mass. It has a mass of 2 kilograms, and it goes up to an angle of 30 degrees in an inclined plane. At point A of velocity A equals 2 meters per second. The mass goes up and returns to a point A with a velocity of 1.1 meters per second. So we're asked to find the work done by the friction force. We're gonna use the equation for the work net or net work, which will be W net equal to the change in kinetic energy. Yes, so we're going to use that with mg and the change in kinetic energy. So we are going to put change in kinetic minus the work of mg. The work of mg. We said the kinetic energy of the work net is the negative, not negative, half, positive half mv squared minus half, negative half mv squared. Well, we're gonna use y1, y2. Sorry about my dog over here because he wants to play, but yeah. So we have half m 1.1, 2 to the second, and then 1/2 mv squared. But this one is in final and initial. But square 2, square as well, minus 0. We're gonna put that so we see it, but it doesn't affect anything. So it would be W of 1.1 squared minus 2 squared. So 1.21 minus 4, which will equal negative 3.79 joules. That's the work done by the friction force. The friction force is Wmg, mass times gravity, plus the work done by the friction, which will equal to the change in kinetic energy. Definitely. Now we are going to see B of the second part of this exercise. Now B says if mk is 0.3, what distance can it travel with the mass up to the plane until it hits a velocity of 0? So we're using 0 minus 1/2 mv squared. We're using W net. But we have a value of mk of 0.3. So we're using mg and the friction force. Yes. We are going to add it. So it's half for to the, which will equal negative. But we are going to be using mg with the influence on y1 and negative y2. So we're going to do mg with the influence of y1 and y2. Now negative mk negative 4. Negative 4. It's how it is, which, yep, that will be the answer. What distance can I travel? It will be a distance of negative 4. So negative 4 is a distance that it's away from the distance it was traveling before. The distance it was traveling before was point A. Point B, in this case, as I am implying or making, will be a different point, which is negative.